Hello everyone, this is teacher Nghĩa. Let's review our lessons. My hair, my hair, my eyes, my eyes, my nose, my nose, my mouth, my mouth, my hand, my hand. That is a monkey. That is a monkey. That is a mountain. That is a mountain. That is a mango. That is a mango. That is a mouse. That is a mouse. That is a mountain. That is a mango. That is a mouse. That is a monkey. There is one mouse. There is one mouse. There are 8 logs. There are 8 logs. There are 4 pots. There are 4 pots. There are 2 mangoes. There are 2 mangoes. There are 6 pencils. There are 6 pencils. There are 9 clocks. There are 9 clocks. There are 5 monkeys. There are 5 monkeys. There are 3 cups. There are 3 cups. There are 7 pens. There are 7 pens. There are 10 hearts. There are 10 hearts. Thank you for listening and goodbye everyone.